Alright, so I am going to do a quick tutorial on how to use monkeyjam to make a freeze frame animation. And so let's do this. So we're opening up monkeyjam. Alright. So monkeyjam is open. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to the create new exposure sheet. And I'm just going to name it demo. Okay. Then what we do is we go here to open video capture window. And then we have to select the camera. So in order to select the camera, we click cameras, and I'm going to select my USB camera. So what I want to do is I want to adjust my camera. Alright, let's hope that stays put now. And so now we're going to start making our animation. And in order to do that, what we've got to do is we've got to start. I'm going to capture. Then I'm going to take an object and capture another image. Then I'm going to move the object slightly. I'm going to capture. Move it again slightly. Capture. I'm going to keep doing this. Keep doing this. Then we can like rotate the axolotl stuffed animal here. Then we can bring another stuffed animal in, if we really wanted to. Okay, so now that we've gotten a good number of frames, what we're going to do is we're going to exit our capture mode here. And then what we're going to do, I'm just going to look. So we have, I think, 27 frames. Let's see what I just... Oh. Yeah, we have 27 frames here. Okay. So what we can do now is we can click the export exposure sheet as an AVI movie. Now I'm going to just name this demo. Save the movie. Now we can view the movie. Here we go. And so it's a 2-second movie from the 27 frames.